This is Richard here at the Car Barn, and I am driving today in a 2013, this is the Toyota Sienna. This is the XLE, awesome van. If you have not driven a Toyota van, you've got to. I believe, and that's why we pretty much only carry the Toyota vans. I believe they're definitely the best built, most reliable. I feel like they're the most comfortable, but that's a little bit of a preference. But reliability, I don't think anybody is coming close. We've had zero mechanical issues with a Toyota van that we've ever sold. So we're sticking with what we know to be tried and true. And as well as being reliable, dependable, they're also really comfortable, smooth, quiet ride. This one, the XLE, is leather loaded, sunroof, navigation, heated seats. It's got the keyless entry key fob that opens both sliding doors on the sides, as well as the tailgate. So unbelievable van for trips, and just if you've got a family, it's just awesome. So we're gonna pull over up here and take a look at this van inside and out. This is a certified Toyota van that we got from a Lexus dealer in Southern California. So technically we can't sell it as a certified vehicle because we're not a Toyota dealership, but it was certified by them and was offered for sale as a certified vehicle at the time. So we picked this one up, and we've always really enjoyed having the Toyota van. So anyway, the reason we do the videos, for those of you who watched any of our other videos, we do a video because we want to be totally transparent with everything we know about a vehicle and give you as much information so that if you are looking at traveling to come and look at a vehicle, that you're going to know as much about it as we know and have the confidence to make that trip, drive up the street, fly in from the airport, whatever the case may be. We've got a lot of out-of-town and out-of-state buyers. This works really well for them because we're not going to try to hide anything. The more that I can tell you about this vehicle, the more confidence you're going to have, whether it's a good choice or a bad choice, and we're fine with either one. So anyway, I'm going to pull over right up here. We're going to take a look at the inside, the outside, and you know, the features, the benefits, even a few of the flaws if there are some, and then we're going to go from there. So looks like a good enough spot right here. A little windy today maybe, and hopefully it's not too noisy. But before I shut the car off, the van off, I'm going to flip the phone around so you can kind of see what we're doing here. On this van, just hitting 99,000 miles. Hopefully that doesn't bother you. Toyota van, 200, 300, 400,000 miles all the time. Very dependable vehicle. So real quick, we're going to point out some features. Obviously navigation. It's got a nice layout. You got controls for the front and rear, heat, air conditioning, all of those things from up here. It's a really neat layout on the Toyotas. You got your heated seats down below here. And then real quick up above, if I want to open the sliding doors, I can do either of those from here, as well as the power lift tailgate. And then I've got my lights and stuff as well, and sunroof, sliding and tilt. And then I'm also going to point out, it does have a push button start, and I'm shutting it off. And as you can see on the key fob, I can also open my doors on the sides and the tailgate with the key fob. So that's really handy if you got groceries in your hand and things like that. Okay, so we're gonna jump out real quick, take a look at this, and kind of go from there. You're seeing this van before it's even actually had a final detail as well. First thing we do is go back through it ourselves. Even though it was certified from Toyota, once we get it, we're gonna double check things on it, okay? So door panel in really good shape. On the seats, we're going to point out a few things as you see it. A little bit of wear here. That's a vinyl, not leather. The tops are leather, so that could be replaced if needed. But we got power seats and the lower lumbar back support. On the side, we've got vents for the back windows. You even got traction control, parking center, and there's your power mirrors. And then on the steering wheel, as you can see, your controls for your stereo, as well as your features on the other side for phone types of things. And then down below and beside here, you can see is your cruise control, which on a Toyota is really, really simple, easy to operate. In the middle, got some nice cup holders and tray spaces there. And I already looked at those. Seats in excellent, excellent condition. There's no scuffs, no tears, no cigarette burns, any of that. Headliner is nice and clean. Sunroof works very well. I'll point out the dash is in really good shape. No warping, it's not coming up anywhere. No cracks or anything. Okay, and then in the back, I can also open the power doors just by pulling on the handle. And that slides there. Really, really nice on the Toyotas is this track where these middle row seats will slide way back forward as well. And very, very comfortable. All of the seats, by the way, have armrests on both sides. So really nice, nice vehicle. And there you got the other seats in the back. And then also this middle piece is a tray for the seat that's in the far back. You can put that in if you don't want this pass-through quad or captain chair type seating. So then you can also close both doors on the sides simply by pushing this button here. And those doors will close on their own. I'll take a look around the rest of it. And I didn't bring the key fob with me, so I can also open this manually. These rear seats do fold down separately. Lots of cargo space for it to drop down into, so you got a nice flat space there. And then you can also push the button up here to close the tailgate. Okay. Again, this is the XLE model. This is the top of the line model that they make. And you can see that it has the sensors in the rear bumper. And then going down this side, real quick, open that up again. You can see the view from this side. Again, seats are in really good shape. And let's point out the seating in the back is also in really good shape. Got all the headrests. There's nothing missing there. And then as you can see up on the windows, these are the vented shades, sunscreens that can go up and down. Even though this has got a nice dark window tint, it's also got these shades that can be lowered and raised individually. Those are on the front windows here too, or the middle row I should say, on both sides, as well as these windows do roll down, so that's pretty nice. And we'll close this one and go to the front real quick. And the front passenger side is also a power seat. So extremely comfortable trip vehicle. Unbelievably smooth, quiet, nice ride. And now let's take a look at the outside real quick. I'm going to start right where we are here. You can see it's a nice, clean, frosty white, if you want to call it that. It's got the lower driving lights down below. Body and paint in really good shape. I'm sure we're going to find a few little nicks and scratches if we look closely, but nothing at a a 5 foot or so distance that we're seeing. Does need washed. I will point out also tires and wheels are matching tread and excellent, excellent condition, almost brand new all the way around. Again, this is why vehicles like this do become certified, is there's just so little that's wrong with them. It's hard to even find. I'm going to point out, do see a little nick on the paint there, and all of this will come off, as you can see, just from a rainy day. And going down the side, not seeing any real dents or dings at all, so really good there. Back up a little as we go around the corner so you can see it. They got some little scuffing there. Some of that was just buffable. Minor touch-ups possible. Going around this side. Again, nice condition. I'm seeing one little spot here where there's ding in the fender well. You might not even be able to pick that up on a camera, but we're going to show you anyway. And that is really about it. This is an amazing van. Same on this mirror there. little bit of scuff. There's your sunroof and also the roof rack. Those are adjustable, so you've got some luggage to put in there. Just an awesome van. And if you need financing at all, we've got some really good credit union financing programs that will work awesome for you. Great rates, great terms. If we can help with that, just go to barnloan.com, submit the form. Really easy, quick approvals, and we'll be glad to help you out. This is Richard with the Car Barn. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day.